everybody, today I am doing an unboxing of this item that I purchased from this website. I haven't really heard of them, but nonetheless it is a consignment shop in Florida, and I always get my items authenticated after I receive them as well. But yeah, let's get into it. I'll link their website down below. This is how it came. Ooh, it has a nice card. I like how they wrapped it. This is the boutique, and I have receipt and stuff in here. I will, like I said, link them down below. This is the second time I'm purchasing something similar to this item. If you guys watched my unboxing, you know my struggles with the Real and how that whole spiel was. But here is this. It comes with, and usually it comes with the tissue. Don't know why this one didn't come with the tissue, but it's the cleaning cloth and the paper right here. I don't like that it didn't come with that tissue. Okay. It's dust bag and ta-da! This is, again, the Chanel mini rectangle and the iridescent white color. Like iridescent, yeah, it's like an iridescent white. You can see that it's like this lilac purple inside. And let me inspect it and I'll be back. Okay, I am not having very good luck on this freaking bag. Is it just this specific bag? I don't understand, because this one, and I made sure it's not the same serial number. It's, yeah, like it's not the same bag. It's a different consignment store. It's a different store altogether. But the glazing is still cracked. I don't, hopefully you guys can see this. Look at that. And what's irritating about it is that I called the store before I made this purchase. I asked them specifically, can you look at the handles, make sure that there's no glazing cracks or issues. They said it looks perfectly fine, it looks really good, it's a beautiful bag, this, that, and the other. Why is this here sticking up? Oh, why is this happening to me? I just can't get a bag that I want. And I checked specifically on the description, that's not part of the wear and tear. So yeah, I'm frustrated. I'm gonna get it authenticated, and then I'm gonna call them before I spend any more money on this and see what can be done, because it is final sale, no return. But that's with me calling and verifying that there's no glazing issues, because there is color transfer and the shape is a little wonky, but that was all listed. The glazing issues were not. So yeah, nonetheless, this is the bag. Let me do some mod shots for you guys. Don't mind the background. I am 5 foot for reference. Here's where it hits me. This is my waist, and it hits me right on my hips, and it doesn't bother me with the top handle. But I hope you guys found this video helpful, and again, this is the store that I purchased it from. If you guys are selling yours, let me know. I am really wanting the white, preferably the caviar, but I don't want to pay that premium. It's currently going for $7,000. The ladies I spoke with on the Chanel Addicted page Facebook group, theirs is around the 7,000 mark, and I do not want to pay that for a Chanel. But nonetheless, yeah, this is she. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye.